I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Adox Rodinol film developer. This is a developer for black and white film. It's one of the oldest development solutions that's still available, and this is a 500 ml bottle here. So this is a great developer both for traditional development but also for stand development. It's probably one of the best developers out there for stand development, and it'll work with pretty much any kind of black and white film for that process. So you can see here that it gives the dilution ratios on here and the time based on a 20 degree centigrade development temperature. And so it's a 1 to 25 ratio for a standard development, 1 to 50 for high contrast, and then what I usually use it for is stand development. So that's a 1 to 100, an extremely dilute solution, and you basically leave that, you do an initial agitation and leave that on your film for 30 minutes. Most people do one agitation at 30 minutes and then leave it for another for a total of 1 hour. And it's a really great technique for developing film and just getting a ton of dynamic range out of your black and white film. And again, that's something that Rodinol is known for. And again, it's one of the best developers for that process. Obviously, heed the safety information on the back here, and always wear eye protection and gloves when you're using any kind of developer. Definitely also, especially with these older developers, make sure to take those precautions that are listed here. Rodinol, really great developer if you want to be working with black and white films.